Hi, I'm Joel Ort with Hobart Welding Products. Today we have a project for you that is more of a need than a project. What I mean by that is I'm going to be building a grinder stand, and the reason for that is I've always had my grinder sitting on my workbench, so every time I need to do a project I have to pick the grinder up and move it somewhere else. So finally taking the time to build a dedicated stand for it. What we're going to need for the project is some 1/4-inch plate material. We'll cut that into 2 pieces for the base to mount it to the floor and for the top. We'll also have some 3x3 tubing. I decided to go with an 1/8-inch wall for the posts in the middle. The products that we're going to use today to build the project are the Hobart Handler 140. This is rated for up to a 1/4-inch thick material. We'll also be using the Hobart AirForce 27i plasma cutter, and that is rated for 3/8 material. We have everything we need here, so let's get started on the project. So at this point we have all the materials cut. The base plate is cut to size, all 4 mounting holes are drilled in to mount it to the floor. I have marks on here as to center the post on when we weld that. And the top piece is cut, and I pre-drilled the holes for the grinder to mount to. So from here we're going to weld these 3 pieces together and finish this project up. So we have the grinder stand project done. As you can see, I'll take and mount this to the floor. And then I'm going to mount the grinder to here with 2 bolts. It's at the perfect height for me. I don't have to move it off the table every project anymore. And I'm really going to enjoy this. For this project and others like it, visit hobartwelders.com.